Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a Pikachu.
And a pumpkin.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artist, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, can you say hi? Valentina is a 5-year-old and she's gonna help me doing this funny Pikachu for Halloween. Let's start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is a really teensy weensy nose that Pikachu has. It's just like a little line. Okay, it's very tiny in the center of the paper. Good, perfect. Let's do the mouth now, and the mouth goes underneath the nose without touching it, and it's like two curves. So I want to start from the center, going to the left, and then to the right. And the mouth is also small. Leave a space between the nose and the mouth. Good. Now we're gonna leave a space on this side, and we're gonna trace a circle for the eye. Good. And now we're gonna trace another circle on the top part, like this.
Like that.
And we're gonna fill with black around that circle. Now let's do the same thing in the other side. We're gonna leave a space. We're gonna trace our circle right here, and on the top we're gonna trace another one, and then I'm coloring around with black. Okay, now let's continue with the head. We're gonna leave a space on this side of his head, and we're gonna do a curve that goes, we're gonna start up here, and I wanna do a curve like this. And this curve past the mouth. So your curve is gonna go from here, passing the mouth.
Okay, I don't like my Pikachu so much.
It needs to pass the eye. Let's do the same thing here. I wanna go up, passing the eye, going down, and pass the mouth.
Okay.
Now, let's do the ears. I want to start here on this point, doing a curve. And then I'm going to back down with another curve.
A curve, and then a curve,
and here on the end of his ear, he has kind of like a line that divides there. And this part is black. So we're going to color it right away.
Yes, because it's super fun.
Now we're gonna do the other ear from this side, but that ear is kind of like sideways. It's not like up like this one, so it's gonna look like this.
Yeah, like
curve. Yeah, it's kind of like pushing down, right? So go back. And we're gonna do the same idea. We're gonna put a line, and then we're gonna color with black inside.
Okay.
Now let's close the head, and the head is gonna pass the ear, going around and pass it a little, but make sure to leave a little bit of a space here open.
Okay.
Good. So let's continue here. We're gonna go up a little, and we're gonna do a line that goes down. Here the same thing, up a little, and a line that goes down.
Up a little down, up a little down.
Good job. We're gonna do lines that they are not gonna pass these first two lines we did. Okay, so I wanna go curve and another one on this side. Curve.
Quite interesting.
There, good job. Now we're gonna repeat those curves, leaving a space. We're gonna do curve, and in the other side, curve. Now we're gonna close these gaps that we have here, this space, doing little teensy weensy triangles for the fingers. We're gonna do 5 of them. 5, good job. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the other one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my.
Oh, he's so cute. Look at that. We're gonna join this line with the arm, join this line with the arm. And if you still have a gap here in between the arms, we're gonna put a line also. Good job. Now, we're gonna mark where the pumpkin is gonna start. So from this corner, we're gonna do a line that goes down. From this corner, a line that goes down. I'll extend it. Yeah, make it a little longer.
More.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Little more.
Good job.
We're gonna leave a space here. It's gonna be a big space, and we're gonna put a little dot down here. So if you put your hand here in the paper, where your fingers finish, you're gonna put your a little dot.
Okay.
So I put all my hand here, and then when my hand finished, I put a little dot. Valentina did the same thing. Now that little dot needs to be in the center of the hand. So we're gonna just move that point like to here, okay? From this point, I wanna do a curve that goes to the left, and then this one, it goes also to the right.
Right, left.
So from this point, Vale, you're gonna go to the left. And now do the same thing to the right. Exact. Now we're gonna go down a little in this point from here all the way around, and I want to go really close to my line. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go down a little bit here, and we're gonna go up and try to get close to the other line we did.
I think this.
Now this is gonna be a special pumpkin. This pumpkin is gonna be a jack-o'-lantern, like it's gonna be looking like Pikachu, right? So on this side, we're gonna do the first ear, and we're gonna do a upside down letter U. So we're gonna go up and down.
Okay, up and down.
Yeah, the same thing in the other side. Up
and
down. Let's start now with the nose. In the middle of Pikachu's hands, we're gonna put the teensy weensy line that is the nose.
Yeah, like Pikachu's face.
And now we're gonna do the mouth, and the mouth goes a curve from the nose, goes a curve and up, and a curve and up.
His eyes are gonna be moon.
And his eyes are gonna look funny because they are like jack-o'-lantern eyes. So we're gonna kind of like do a moon shape, but we're gonna start first with a half a circle.
Half a circle and the other side.
From this side, I'm gonna come around doing a moon shape and come back. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go around and close. So we're gonna do in the other side, we're gonna start with our half a circle.
Half a circle like oval.
And then I wanna go grab this corner, going around and close to the other side. It's almost like a moon shape.
Yeah, I think he's asleep.
Ooh, that one looks kind of like really like spooky. Now let's do the cheeks. We're gonna do it at the end with the red, but we're gonna mark the cheeks in this one. So I'm gonna make a big oval shape here. So we're gonna start here in a big oval shape. And then we're gonna do another one in the outside just halfway.
Yeah. Where?
Let's do the same in the other side. Big oval shape. And then halfway in the other side. The last thing for this pumpkin is gonna be from this line I'm gonna go up going like this, and from this line I'm gonna go up doing like this. And if you guys still have room, we're gonna do teeny lines here. We're gonna do Pikachu's hat. He has a witch hat. So we're gonna start from this corner here in the neck, and we're gonna do a curve that connects with his ear. Now we're gonna imagine this line comes in behind, and we're gonna go in between the two ears, okay? So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go here and do a curve. Oops, to the other side.
And so.
Okay, and now we're gonna imagine that line goes in behind the ear, and we're gonna do another curve that goes to the neck, okay? The same thing we did here, it goes to the neck. So we're gonna go behind the ear and go into the neck. Good. Now let's do the top part of the hat, and this is a witch hat. So we're gonna start on the left side, and I'm gonna do a curve that goes up. And this on the top, we're gonna do a zigzag line that looks like a letter W. Look like this. Letter W.
I hope I don't mess up.
Good, yeah. Now we're gonna go down. Up, and then from this point we're gonna go down and connect with the hat. So we're gonna go down here. And if you still have room, we're gonna do another line on the top of the hat just to mark like a ribbon.
Yeah, and then we're gonna green.
Now, in this side, we still have room here. We're going to put his tail. So his tail is going to start with a triangle shape.
Zigzag.
It's a zigzag. So we're going to go here, touching the pumpkin, going up, touching the pumpkin, back. We're going to go up a little. We're going to leave a space, and we're going to go up and come back down, touching the hat.
Here and up and here.
Touch the hat. And there, that's it. We finished this Pikachu that is getting ready for Halloween with his witch hat. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our Pikachus turn out. With the colors, we pick purple for the hat. You can change that color. We also add his cheeks at the end. We put red color here. We didn't want to do that at the beginning with black marker, so we wait until the end. We add the cheeks and then we add the yellow color. Another thing that we did also is put 2 colors of brown just to give a little bit more 3D shape here on the cheeks. You like your Pikachu? And we hope that you like this lesson and you will follow along with us. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.